Hey everybody, happy Thursday. It is Tanya here, your independent Lilla Rose stylist. I wanted to show you a couple cool things that I got in the mail. And one of the perks of being a Lilla Rose stylist is that when you have a good month, you can earn our stylist incentives. What is that? So as a Lilla Rose stylist, one of the things each month our company does is puts out a sales target for us. Many companies do this, but the target for March was relatively easy, I thought, compared to what it has been in other months. And I'm very thankful, don't get me wrong, super happy to have a somewhat seemed easy target. And I got my goodies in the mail. So some of the free things I got as part of my stylist incentive. Sorry for the rustling, I didn't take them out of the package in advance. So I got a new hair stick. This one is the light one. It's available now on our website for purchase, but as a stylist incentive, had I opened my mail sooner maybe, would have received them in advance of being able to order them on the website. And then the other cool thing that we got as part of that incentive package was the complete set of flexi clips of Leon, which was our January flexi of the month. It's the gorgeous, gorgeous lion. So anybody out there who's looking for some roars, go ahead and comment. If you're joining me live, looks like Jean's here. Hi Jean, happy Thursday. If you're joining me live, go ahead and comment so I know that you're here, or wave. If you're catching me on the replay, write lion so I know that you're catching me on the replay. The other thing included as part of that full set, another flexi of Leon in a different size. This one happens to be a small. I have an extra small and a medium. I also got the Upins. Can't really see it probably through the plastic very well, but I have the Upins of Leon. And I got the open flower design in silver. So open flower has always been one of our most popular designs, and it was revamped this year. It's now available in the silver, a gold, and a rose gold. I got the silver one in my set here. That is a pretty awesome stylist incentive package, I have to say. And you too can join Lilla Rose for $89. This month, our new enrollees, I think is how you'd say that, new stylists who sign up with the company, you get $89 in Lilla dollars to spend on your website the month you join. So not only do you get the starter kit with over $300 in value of products, and then you are eligible to earn awesome stylist incentives like these, but you also get $89 right away in Lilla Bucks to spend on your website. Our team, Wild Roses, also had a contest going last month, and I was one of the winners of it. Woohoo! Doesn't normally happen. I'm not usually a lucky person in drawings, but I won. And what did I win? I won! Sorry, I had to bend over to grab it. I won our awesome Lilla bag. This is an awesome purse or bag. It has these, you can kind of see here in the video, it's a clear pouch on both sides, in addition to obviously the center pockets, and then it's got pockets on the side to put stuff in as well. So you can hold like cell phone keys, all that good stuff inside there. It's got a D-ring on it, so you can hook your car keys and not lose them in the bottom of your purse. It's a very nice safety feature, I think. And then these outside pouches, as I mentioned, they're clear. You can see through them. So you know what you can put in them? You can put your awesome new Lilla Rose hair sticks and things in them. And the only way to get one of these awesome bags is to earn it. As a new stylist, if you enroll a new person, you can earn this Lilla bag. I happen to be lucky enough to win it in a drawing. So that's all I was going to share tonight. I will let you get on with your evening. Hope you're having a great day.